Okay, well, I'm gonna quit. The T26 has been running okay and then sort of quitting and stuttering and stalling. At first I thought I had a kink in the fuel line and I moved it, but now I think I might have some bit of dirt or grit that's gotten into the jet and keeps getting sucked in and clogging the jet. So I'm gonna take it in and clean the carburetor, because you know the fuel tank on these is kind of unprotected and these little models don't have any filter in them, so I might look into getting little fuel filters, but the tough part is that, like, the flow is so low and fuel filters impede it so much that at that point, like, how can the little engine suck fuel through a filter? So I'm gonna quit for today and try to clean this up and try to clean that carburetor out to double check I didn't get any grit in it.